Hello, class 4. Happy day. It's raining, raining, raining. Have you met any snake yet? Day before yesterday, I met a snake. Long snake, yellow and green color. It is very beautiful, but I got scared. But I didn't kill it because we have to live together. Now there are lots of animals in our world, and we try to live together happily because he is not the snake is not it is not harming me, so I won't harm it. She was looking around maybe for mice. I hate mice, so I'm very happy that the snake is there. She can it can eat mice and rats. I wish to have a pet snake. So whenever guest comes to my house, they get scared and don't come ever again. Move on to our study. We were studying the question number 10 of model question. Today I have written I didn't wrote it. I copied it from model question 11. Read the instruction about washing your clothes with washing powder and then answer the following questions. Number 1. Take some water in a bucket. Number 2. Put some washing powder into it and make foam. Number 3. Put your clothes into the foam. Number 4. Shake your clothes to make them wet. Have you seen did you notice that I have kept you as you? Don't do it. It is the result of my mobile typing. We always keep the words short and it is reflected in my writing. Don't do it. Put YOUR your clothes into the foam. Shake YOUR your clothes to make them wet. In SMS or in a messenger, you can use this, but in the formal answer, don't use this. This is the spelling is incorrect. Number 5. After 30 minutes, wash your clothes with clean water. In COVID-19 situation, do you know how long you have to keep it in washing powder? 1 hour. Okay, now the format of the question. First, we have knowledge question. What clothes do you wash yourself? It is only known to you. What clothes do you wash? I took it from your answer sheet. I think you do not wash your clothes. Especially the boys, because school uniform washing is very tough thing because there is a collar, shirt collar. Collar is a very tough spot to wash. So what clothes do you wash yourself? The answer is my school uniform. If you want, you can write my daily wearing clothes, home wearing clothes. Understanding. Why should you wash your clothes? To help myself. What do you understand by to help myself? How you are helping yourself by washing clothes, by washing your school uniform? Because you can go to school with clean uniform, so the teacher won't punish you for wearing dirty clothes, and for cleanliness also, because you have to keep maintain cleanliness to keep good health. And in this COVID-19 situation, every day you have to wash your clothes. Soak it 1 hour in washing powder. You know that? Acha, I shall give you another exercise if I have class tomorrow on COVID-19 situation. It is not in your syllabus, just for your understanding of this number 10 question. Application. How do you wash your clothes? You know the knowledge, there are instruction, you understand the instruction, and now your application. The answer is very easy here. You just copy it from the instruction and answer it like I. Instead of you, put I. And some simple words. See? First, I take some water in a bucket. It is number 1 instruction. Take some water in a bucket. First, I take some water in a bucket. Then I put some washing powder into it and make foam. Number 2 instruction. Then I put my cloth into the foam. Next, I shake my cloth. Please don't make this mistake. Cloth spelling is CLOTHES. Cloths, to make them wet. After 30 minutes, I wash my clothes with clean water and dry them. Please make the spelling cloth CLOTHES, and instead of after 30 minutes wash instead of yours put put my. After 30 minutes I wash my clothes with clean water and dry them. I am reading the sentence again. After 30 minutes I wash my clothes with clean water and dry them. Okay, so today's lesson is finished. I have given a lots of HW so that you can practice yourself. Your HW is model question 12 to 15 by Happy Rain. Bye.